I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that.
My wife left this sawmill town. She said
May 2nd, 2017. Kim has had his sawmill here for about a year. Been trying to get it all ready. Today's the day he's going to use it for the first time. Ready?
Okay, so we're going to build a compost bin, and that's about a 1-inch raw board, cedar. This is the timber that the loggers left on our property to rot. We're going to reuse it, repurpose it. It's just, the aroma is great. We got it at the sawmill here at the Triple T.